Welcome to Employees Only, a high-volume New York-style cocktail bar. We're here to bring that atmosphere and liveliness in New York City down to Sydney. My name's Chris Garner, and I'm going to be making you a Calypso Sling. This is my drink. It's a tiki-style drink, and it's a mixture of the Trinidad Sour and a Dark N Stormy. We take our Boston, 45 mils of Jamaican rum, 20 mils of lime juice, 30 mils of Orgeat, and 12 dashes of Angostura bitters. Finish it off with a little bit of Fever Tree ginger beer. Bring that spice. And that good hard shake gives it that nice froth that you want to see. This type of drink you can drink at any time of the day, any occasion. Whether it's a date, a hot Sunday, or a cold winter's night, this is the drink you want to be drinking. Mint sprig and a lemon wheel for garnish. You get yourself a good time. Thank you.